Hello YouTube, welcome to this channel. My name is Benjamin Fairborn and I am a super affiliate.
And it's all about traffic. You have a system set up, you drive traffic to it. End of story. Hey, what it do, guys? Welcome back to another fire video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can go out there and make money with sweepstakes or any niche you want in CPA marketing. All my strategies work for CPA marketing, whatever you want to do. Build your freaking massive email list and promote as many offers as you freaking can. In this video, you're literally going to learn how you can get the similar results as this. Yo, learning machines, I am excited for you. In this video, I'm going to change your life. All right, now let's teach you how to make some freaking money. And it is my biggest month. Okay, so far, this is going to be my biggest month yet. And this month is going to be my best month so far. And I hope to hit 6 figures a month soon. But, I mean, we gotta go step by step. It's very, very exciting stuff, and I know that you guys can do it too, okay? It's like, I'm no different. I did go through a lot of struggle. I did fail a ton. That may be the only difference, okay? The only difference now is you haven't learned what I am doing to achieve this success. If you want to learn how, that's why I'm making a quick income update. Literally, guys, I've been through, I just want to say, I've been through tons of struggle, okay? I almost committed suicide several times. I've been in deep, deep, dark situations. I've been super, super depressed in my life. And I believe the one thing that got me out of it was just the hope to make money online. I was just obsessed with it until finally I achieved it. Everything's been great ever since, and I haven't had any of those problems ever again. And I don't know, I just wanted to share that. But
On this channel, I cover affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, and new make money online methods.
I highly recommend if anyone gets started, do lead gen stuff, not like cost per sale stuff like this. So in this video, I'm going to talk about probably one of the easiest ways to make money online, because this is a huge opportunity for everyone, okay? Building campaigns is very important. You got to put in your time, so therefore you can actually make money, and a lot of money over like duration of months on months on months. So you got to really put in the effort, got to put in the psychology and persuasion into your landing pages and content into your landing pages and to your funnel. Very, very important. And so every single day, just managing campaigns, it takes less than 30 minutes. We're going to dive in here. Let's dive in. So today was a good day and running multiple campaigns. And I got multiple other questions from you guys. Let me refresh real quick. And I got multiple questions from you guys, so I'm going to answer those real quick. And, imagine making literally 50 grand every month. Hello, my friends. Welcome to this video. Let's refresh the screen again and again and again. So life's been good. Today's another good campaign. I'm going to answer everyone's questions. When you have a bunch of content out there in the description of the videos, a lot of people are going to check out the description of the videos and click and check it out and convert. But I optimize for conversions, and so I make a lookalike audience off the conversions I want. So typically I do tripwire funnels in the front end, and so I optimize for purchases, okay? But if you're doing an opt-in funnel, which I don't fully recommend as much anymore, but it's still very, very effective. Not as effective as a tripwire funnel, but still you can optimize for the conversion of a lead. Money's a superpower, okay, guys? And so go get your bread. Inside my courses, I teach you how to make this bread, baby. And let's log into my account here. If you don't have max bounty, that's fine. With my methods, you can make anything work, okay? And so I collect emails. I have follow-up sequences that go for months on months on months and promote sending people to an offer wall where people convert on a bunch of offers in the back end, people convert on offers in the front end. And then obviously with the free traffic, I can direct link to different landing pages where basically I just direct link from there over to offers. Now, today was less than usual. All right, there we go, refreshing. And today was less than usual because I wanted to stop a couple of my campaigns on Facebook and reach the super lookalike stage. So I literally have so much pixel data built up, thousands and thousands of email leads of conversions for my conversion ads built up. And I just decided I'm going to just go with like the best data possible, which makes your ads even cheaper. It makes your campaigns even smarter with Facebook's AI. And it's super, super duper powerful. So tomorrow's just going to be a bigger day, a better day. And, that's the game. That's how it works. And you got to think of things like, if there is a traffic source you're using that has the ability to use an AI, then leverage that, because it's the most powerful thing you can do, okay? Hey, this is the only thing you have control of is right now. Literally, the moment you're in, whenever you're in it, that's a good quote, you have control over it. Do challenging things every day, always increase and better yourself. Now, something I haven't mentioned is when you're running like I'm running, you can increase your payouts. You can increase your offer bumps. You can get offer bumps, okay? So let's say this offer right here pays out, like it says, $3.40. You could ask to get paid $4. And you know what? That makes a big difference. And so you make even more money. Let me refresh the screen real quick. And this is an income update for the day. As an affiliate, as a CPA marketer, you need to become a master of traffic. You need to go long term. You need to create basically a funnel that you can drive traffic to with free and paid traffic long term. And you can build multiple traffic sources and all that. Different funnels and all that. It's your choice if you want to do that. But at the end of the day, literally become a master at driving traffic and knowing what offers to pick and go long term with it. My email list at this point is like over 200,000 people in my email list. So it's insane. I'm no one special. It took me a long time to learn, but now I'm giving the secrets and anyone can accomplish these results. Literally, it is super doable. Just put in the work, know the knowledge, and in no time, and obviously disclaimer, whatever. Some will make less, some will make more. But at the end of the day, do you believe in yourself? You should have confidence in yourself. You could do it too. So don't you believe in yourself? If you do, then it's time you take action and you move forward. Okay. Now, obviously, this whole series here for the month is to get you guys to take action, change your life, and inspire you to change your life and take action to get the courses, get knowledge, form a strategy, take action on that strategy, get success, double down on your success. Now, I've got countless videos on that channel. Last time I checked, it's over hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of videos. And that adds up over time. Now, if you guys want to replicate that same thing, it's free traffic. It's free traffic. It's all profit. I highly recommend that for all you beginner affiliates and even advanced affiliates. Okay. And that's most of the money here. Literally, it's crazy the power of literally leveraging YouTube. Okay. For traffic. Every single video you put out there, it's not dead. It lasts forever. Okay. And it gains views. It gets you money. It gets you clicks to your affiliate offers. And it earns you AdSense revenue. And I wanted to show you guys how powerful this is. Here we are. And it's just crazy. And what I'm doing is paid traffic plus free traffic. So it is the end of the day, May 31st right there. All right. And it's been a great day so far, a great month. Hello guys, welcome to this video. This is my record so far. We broke it for this month. I knew I'd do it. Let me refresh real quick. And this is the biggest I've ever gone here. This is Max Bounty here. And this is CPA marketing. It's crazy.
My motto for this channel is, it's not over until I make you rich.
There are secrets in internet marketing. There are secrets to making money. And it took me forever to figure out how to do these secrets. Like, it took me forever, tons of failure. Everyone says that, but I said that I had tons of failure. I had tons of failure. Take thousands of courses. My courses are a combination of all those. You get free bonus courses inside of my courses. So it's like you're getting thousands of dollars of actual value that people actually charge for their courses. You're getting for free. Okay, this can work for any network. What I teach, this can work for any affiliate network. It can work for ClickBank. It can work for any offer you want to promote. It can work for anything. Okay, like it's crazy. Look at this. Okay, in the past I couldn't even believe these numbers, but this is totally legit. Like, this is real. This can happen for you. Okay, money is abundant. Conversions happen with traffic, and then you optimize from there and you do things correctly, and you have systems you add on to over time, and you increase and you optimize and everything. Then I got a second YouTube channel where just free traffic, which is the best when you build it up. And that's what I recommend to you guys straight up. Like, you got to build that stuff up, and free traffic's the way to go. If you're new here, subscribe, and you can check out the other videos, learn the secrets of what I'm doing here. If you're new here, definitely subscribe, check out the other videos, and learn for free from me. And if you want the paid information is the best information. Invest in yourself. It will change your life.
We are the Learning Machine family, so like, comment, subscribe to join. Let's go.
Refresh real quick for y'all, and it's just super amazing because my goal was to get 50,000 and we beat it. We got 72K right here, baby. So straight up, guys, hopefully this is super inspiring for you. Well, like I would say, less than 1% of the world, way less than 1% of the world has this knowledge. The community for CPA marketing, it's very small. It's like the elites of the elite type marketers who understand this stuff, and they run the entire internet. Okay, they are literally so smart. Okay, so you're so smart for watching this. Very valuable stuff I've been giving. I mean, I have testimonials of people who have told me they've made extra thousands of dollars per month. I've had a guy that surprised me like crazy. He said that he was doing pay-per-call and he made extra $100,000 or more, something like that, or more. And it was a while back, and I can't fully remember the exact number, but it was definitely over $100,000 made extra just from learning a few things that I have shared inside my courses. Okay, straight up, guys, huge month, baby. We making racks. I'm holding this money to prove to you this is real. Look, real money. Okay, this is so powerful. Okay, so you can make this much money if you build it up over time. You can make money with paid ads. You can make money with free traffic. You can make money doing anything, baby. Yo, welcome to this video. We are on the last day of July. It is July 31st, and I am at over freaking $90,000 here, okay? Let me refresh real quick for you. Boom. And so, guys, this is really powerful. Let's dive right in. Hello, guys. Welcome to this video. This is one of my biggest months ever. As you can see, $101,000. As you can see, I've been scaling things big this month.
Yo guys, let me share with you guys my story real quick. So, growing up in high school, I was extremely bullied, but even before that, I mean, in elementary school, it was way better than that. I was doing great and everything, but something switched, something pivoted where I couldn't stand up for myself. That's what I think about looking back at. I couldn't stand up for myself. And in the midst of all the bullying and stuff, like, I would be scared to go to school. It was that bad, okay? And I became suicidal and stuff, and it wasn't just due to bullying. It was due to a lot of things, mainly just depression in general, but I wanted to prove myself is what I look back at now. I wanted to prove myself to others that I was worth more than what they called me names as, like a bunch of rude freaking names. And just, they bullied me really bad. It was horrible. And I wanted to prove myself, and the number one thing I wanted to do was make money. And the number one thing that pushed me through even like being suicidal, I remember my dad came down to my room one day when I was growing up, and I had like a belt around my neck, and I was about to try and attempt to kill myself. Multiple times I said it growing up. I had to take like therapy and stuff, and it was really sad. But once again, the number one thing that kept me going through that was the desire to make money online. So I spent countless hours, 24/7, like countless hours. Like even after school hours, I sacrificed friends, family time, and relationships and everything, even my own health, to just deep dive into learning, non-stop learning, 24/7. And so I basically spent over 6 hours per day self-education in all areas of business, marketing, sales, affiliate marketing, make money methods. I mean, I've done everything, okay? This all started back in junior high, and I mean, I failed so much, okay? So the point was, I was accumulating a lot of knowledge, okay? It was compounding, and that's like the secret to success is like be a learning machine, compound that knowledge, form an amazing strategy, and take action on it. Well, I formed lots of strategies, but in the journey of learning, I believe it's very important to fail to learn too. So I was taking action and failing a ton, like it was bad. I just couldn't figure it out, and this all started at a young age, so the brain isn't really fully developed yet and stuff. And so I non-stop would just learn, and I would take action on different campaigns and build marketing stuff, and I'd fail, okay? Now, I eventually cracked the code, and this was after high school, okay, around my 19 and 20-year-old. And I built a campaign. It was in the health niche, and it crushed it. I mean, I was making thousands per day and way more money than anyone I knew, okay? And I'm like, bro, I'm onto something, okay? I tried to replicate it again, and it kind of flopped, and it was a different niche. And then I tweaked some stuff, and it was successful. And you know, I moved on from that, and I kept creating, and building massive assets for myself. I'm talking email lists, I'm talking traffic sources, just consistently sending traffic every day. I'm talking mastering paid ads. And like I said, it was never like this. I was deep, dark depression. I was suicidal. Like when I say crying, I was crying. It was sad. And I don't want to cry on this video. And so I just wanted to share with you my story to let you know, like, I'm not just some person who figured it all out and yay. I didn't, okay? Like I've been through a lot of crap, and that's not all the crap I've been through, so I'm just sharing like a portion of it. But anyway, everyone has ups and downs in life, but I can tell you right now, making a lot of money is worth it, and it was worth the sacrifice because now I can apply my attention to family, friends, and anyone, and all areas of life, even health, because money gives freedom. Money gives, it kind of gives you, what is it? Peace of mind. Peace of mind is so key, okay, to happiness, okay? Money doesn't give you happiness, but it can give you other things that can bring you happiness and peace of mind and stuff. This is important. So anyway, hopefully this video is inspiring for you guys so far. Thank you so much for watching. Let's keep going.
It is the end of the month. Hallelujah. So let me show you this, guys. It is the end of the month. It is literally the 31st. Okay, if you can see it right there. Yes. Okay, so check this out. Let me refresh real quick. Boom. So, refreshing. Perfect. So, guys, we're going to go insane. So I'm going to teach you how to make $1,000 per day minimum with CPA marketing. You could use Max Bounty. You could use ClickBank. You could use Digistore. I don't care what you use because it all works. The strategies work, bro.
Yo, Learning Machines, this is a quick income update for December 30th, and it's nighttime right now, as you can see out there. Let me refresh real quick, why not? There you go. As you can see, everything's still the same, and literally this month I made $118,000 from just affiliate marketing and sweepstake marketing on Max Bounty. And it's extremely powerful to do. Anyone can do it. You can do it too. Pretty crazy journey, right? Like, guys, nowadays I'm making over $300,000 a month. That's just lowball. And that's combining all my different income streams and growing. Now, thank you so much for watching and join the Learning Machine family. And I also have paid information if you're interested in getting similar results as me. I also have that. And thank you so much for watching. Join the Learning Machine family. And let's go, baby!